Okay, we're back. I'm with my good friend Haley Perry. And, so Haley, if you remember, right, we started this series with one bottle of San Pellegrino.
Yes, that's right.
Right? And what we said is if you were looking to buy that bottle of San Pellegrino, the market is charging $100, right? So $100, you can get your own bottle of San Pellegrino. And there were 100 people lined up, and that's what they wanted, right? So that represented the DFW home market, and that was probably about a month and a half ago or so.
But there were only like 1 to 20 San Pellegrinos out of the 100 people that could be bought.
Right, exactly. So it was like the only one that was available in that particular market, right? Now we have our friends
Coffee, tea, and sugar.
That's right. So now we have choices, right? So now we have options. So we have coffee, tea, and sugar. And instead of coffee, tea, and sugar going for $100, now it's going for $90, right? So that's what's happening in this particular market. And on top of that, if you want to throw a little bit of financing into it, you could get the San Pellegrino for 2%, 3%, and you were able to get as many of those as you possibly wanted. But with coffee, tea, and sugar, now it costs like 5%, right, in terms of financing. So that's what's happening in the Dallas-Fort Worth market is you've got more inventory. It costs more, right? So it costs more in terms of being able to finance it, but you have more options. So the people that were lining up that wanted to buy and they had the 2 and 3%, they only had one option. But now you've got 3 options, right? You've got more options. So that's the whole point and this demonstration of showing you that's what's happening. So if you are in the market, keep going.
Yeah, because at this time next month, there might be coffee, tea, sugar, flour, and Splenda.
Exactly. So your options are increasing. There are fewer people that want to finance at 5%, 6%, whatever the amount, whatever that percentage is. So your chances of securing your condiments are going up, right? So just keep at it.